Mukuru wemadzishe munyika yeZimbabwe vari zvekare mukuru wePan-African Parliament Chief CHARUMBIRA vopomerwa mhaka yekubata chibharo kumwana wemukoma wavo kana kuti wemunun'una wavo. Mhaka iyi yakamhangarwa kumapurisa eZimbabwe Republic Police kumasvingo. Regai tinzwe zvizere paaudio iyo yakarekodwa nemusikana uyu apo panguva yavakanga vari mumotokari na Chief CHARUMBIRA.
Kune dzimwe nyaya dzavanofanira kutsvaka kubetserwawo. So you can't be an expert on every issue. Ini maonera pamona kubetserwawo anoita betserwawo kuti betserewo dachiwa pa ini hangu ndauta chokwadi. I see more value and benefit in you and I being linked somehow, being friends, not only no, being very close friends, private, very close friends. When the need arises, just got that close, that even intimacy. When there's need and it is convenient for both of us, I see more benefits in that than anything which is not beneficial. No more than that. When I think no one that I have, you and how much you know that which you must is nothing else. But the better and the cat, Usaramba Pundikisa, Lokuti, the interpretation of that behavior. That's one day was on your side of Shan. That's one day with Kinda Naramba. He saw an open sheet and write anything there, which I know. I think I'll keep on. Or it will scare me. Unless intention is to scare me. Which means if I get scared, I have to hide in a shell and say, I should not show my face again. Or if you're saying, no, I don't want you to be demotivated. Not today, fast. Those give me energy to continue talking to you. And not through messages and I find out what I excellent. Because if I go with that, so not through messages. No. I use that the shit out to take messages. I don't direction. Just know that in each Sunday, when you have a space, tell me, I think not now. Mangwana is not one of the town. I can see you. Then we agree with what's the best party, most to the figure out to that somewhere that town staying like this, or you come back wherever from where it's like we did today to town, mutually agreed. No one imposes on the other. No, that's either that you can remember that case, you will leave me shattered. Sorry.
It's only that it's the hardest things.
No problem. We have gone through hard things. Lord, the terrorists are not there.
Okay.
The terrorists are not there.
I have got good trade. Meeting up demands.
No, not making a demand. I'm saying, give me permission to the terrorists are not there. A subject, you put the you are putting so allow me to say something exactly on the issue. Do you allow me?
Mama Jimbotown. Okay, just talk.
Oh, this is more emphasize a point. You put the first of all, emphasize in any quality of marvelous. That's really good. Because she's boyfriend, she didn't marry, I'm honest. So she does think this is a harmless thing. And my decisions in life, you've taken so many decisions. I go over, but you are still happy as you are. So I won't do no, just a kiss with me. Doing that, I just would let the world collapse. Meaning that kiss in the wrong. Let the story continue to develop. Let's see. But you can dream the one to cry. And you cannot have that intention, you will cry.
I won't kill it.
Yes. I want you to understand that point. If you want to look, to sacrifice something, I'm suspending everything. Look for my name, you can get that. What now? What is about that? What is the mind says in the mind? And implicate the child. Don't take these things lightly or lightly. I think let this thing develop its focus. Ulipo jere unaanza ndiwe hapana ujauri mfajere kutuba no ulingo chibona toke but kiss to kumbira kiss ndama chiko kumbira. It's the best way that departs today. We see the one that it's a good goodbye. The best goodbye is to kiss. Nemasho kwanda taura newe akatika wasaya akatikisa. It is no one right now taura. But I'm saying it out of sit down in your life today. What was going to go back to the it isn't. I'm branching up worried on you, right? And you talk of your husband and right? Worry so family. But to get there, maybe before marriage, I don't know, or once one of marriage, I don't know. But there's one decision that you made, but you can see, look at you, it never destroyed it. To realize that you pay, you want to know pay. And that is the end of virginity, for example. You know better when you did it and to go and then. See, that decision to say someone, end up go inside, destroy virginity, you had to do it at some point. But although for years, but you just had to, the reality would see, it has to go. And it went. I'm saying so because, so it means something happened, it's avoided. But those decisions were very difficult. Should I allow, should I trust this person? But you just have to say, look, you're developing young, let us see how this thing develops beyond that. No bandini one alas. Say to motivate me to Sandra Mira. Well, you can maybe as I go back, I think don't call up we have to push up beyond. So we sound I don't know to communicate the impossibility. I read it wrongly. It happens a lot, Pascal. You read long names, think, some of these ladies don't have whatever period. Could I want to get it out, my interest. So only go get a baby. What if I don't go to the I test some time serious. So we always have these problems. So those CIA, we are making the proper decision. Or maybe you have failed to understand by that.
Baba.
We are in a different context. But unless we don't want to motivate switches. Is that the intention?
The real intention is a Joseph David.
In that case, it's not the end of the look, I don't hate you. That boy, Matara, and let's leave it to what's happening this week. No meaning is here. And you got to know. To know. And I think it's not your intention to live on.
but ndichitovhundukawo izvo kuti asaka zvinozo ndinofanira kuti dini nokuti kuramba chaikoka chero waramba hauzivi kuti what are the tensions unafungei nokuramba kwako, in as much as iwe uri kuda kutry kuva polite and you say no.
I don't know how to pay that what you say. I don't know where to pay the way you are listening. You don't want to dig. I was going to say, I don't mean I want to say to my time. We are less than 10 minutes from all we there.
So quite, yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, no, I don't mean I was singing.
Yeah.
No. We said to that kind of professional. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. What am I talking about? I cannot. Means I don't know. You know that the ways what you call it, very professional, very taking the side. Don't be able to do the same. You cause a lot of pain. What about the disadvantages? You confuse me. That's all I want. Do you really want to leave me really confused? That's your intention. Is that your intention? Do you accept that? The guy is another Salah. Is that your intention?
Yeah, and you.
Sorry?
Quite true, no intention.
Sorry, what's your no intention? Yeah?
You don't be hate. I know what you want.
You know feeling
as it was, look at us,
I'll be shattered.
When in a relationship,
yeah, that's not the point. The purpose now, I see desire for the future. Really very strong. So, kids want.
Yeah.
Sorry? What do you suggest?